Welcome to video lecture. Myself, Ashwini RK, Assistant Professor, Civil Department, Rogni College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see about the parking and circulation area in airport. Most of the large airport provides separate parking for the passengers, visitors, employees and taxis. In small airport, these facilities may be combined in one location. The passenger and the visitor parkings are often segregated into the following three categories. Short term. These parking facilities are very near to the terminal building and certain rent is charged for their use. Short term parkers usually park for 3 hours or less and near account for about 80% of parkers at an airport. Long term. This parking is slightly away from the main terminal complex and rents are usually discounted for long term users. Remote. Remote parking is usually quite distant from the main terminal complex and provisions are usually made to carry baggage between these areas and the main terminal complex. The planning can be permitted in a specified manner only it is either parallel parking or angle parking. The vehicle parked parallel to the curb are generally preferred because they offer less disruption to the traffic. However, the operations of parking and unparking in this pattern may prove to be very difficult. The parking at 60° to the curb is usually maximum practicable, with 45° parking usually yielding the best result. The right angle parking is generally permissible only under special conditions. Parking of aircraft in apron. The type of aircraft parking can be grouped into following 5 categories, that is nose in parking, angle nose in parking, nose out parking, angle nose out parking, parallel parking. Traffic types of aircraft parking, that picture is being given. Nose in parking. Aircraft is parked at right angles to the terminal building with the nose close to the building as permissible. The aircraft moves into the parking position under its own power and in order to leave the gate, the aircraft has to tow out a sufficient distance to allow it proceed under its own power. Angled nose in parking. This configuration is same to the nose in parking, but the aircraft is parked in angle manner to the terminal building. This arrangement allows the aircraft to move in and out of the gate under its own power. However, it requires a larger gate area than the nose in configuration and causes a higher noise level. Nose out parking. The aircraft is parked at the right angles to the terminal building with its tail as close to the building as permissible. Angled nose out parking. The configuration is same as the nose out parking, but the parked at certain angles to the terminal building. This arrangement allows the aircraft to move in and out of the gate position without towing. The only drawback in the hot jet blast and the noise are pointed towards the terminal building. Parallel parking. This configuration is the easiest to achieve from the standpoint of the aircraft movement. The main advantage of this arrangement is that both front and rear doors can be used for loading and unloading passengers. Thank you.